Types of dog diseases include 1. The first disease that we deal with is parvo disease in dogs. Parvo is a viral disease that is very dangerous and deadly. Parvovirus often infects young dogs. The thing about this disease is that if it is not diagnosed and treated in time, it can cause the dog to die. Symptoms of this viral disease include anorexia, diarrhea, vomiting, and lethargy. A dog with parvovirus disease loses its appetite in the first stage and then becomes lethargic and then has severe digestive problems. Treatment. In fact, this viral disease does not have a definitive treatment, and what can be done is supportive treatment. Supportive treatment means that we try to strengthen the body's immune system. 2. Distemper is another viral disease in dogs, which is unfortunately very dangerous and even more deadly than parvo. Distemper is another viral disease in dogs, which is unfortunately very dangerous and even more deadly than parvo. Dog distemper disease causes severe symptoms by affecting the respiratory system and nervous system. Symptoms of distemper disease. Among the symptoms of this viral disease, we can mention nervous tics, purulent secretions, shortness of breath, lethargy, and digestive problems. Treatment. As we said, there is no definitive treatment for viral diseases, and the only thing that can be done is prevention. 3. Cockroaches and ticks. One of the problems that many dogs and their owners face is the presence of fleas and ticks in the dog. These organisms can be transferred from the outside environment to the bodies of dogs and even humans and cause problems. Fleas and ticks are external parasites that exist mostly in the summer season. These parasitic creatures are often visible to the naked eye. Fleas and ticks are small creatures that can easily be transferred from one place to another. Symptoms of the presence of fleas and ticks on the body. As we said, these creatures can be transferred from the outside environment to the host's body, and they do this by searching and sticking to the host's skin. Treatment. There are different treatments according to the type of external parasites that are used, but the important thing is that the treatment should be done on time so that a serious problem does not arise for the dog. 4. Fungal diseases. Other diseases that affect dogs include fungal infection in dogs. There are species of fungi in nature that are pathogenic. This disease is one of the common diseases between humans and animals, so it is of special importance. The question that may arise for you is, how does the fungus cause disease, and which people are affected the most? Symptoms of fungal disease. One of the symptoms of fungal disease is hair loss, and in addition, severe itching occurs in the dog's body, which is quite evident. Treatment. Fortunately, there is a definitive treatment for fungal diseases, but the thing about treatment is that the treatment of this disease is very time-consuming and may take months. 5. Respiratory diseases. Dogs that are kept at home suffer from respiratory diseases much more than dogs that live outside, and kennel cough is one of the things that affects dogs. There are different causes that cause respiratory diseases for dogs, including cigarette smoke, perfume, deodorizing spray, incense, disinfectants, and things like that. Symptoms of respiratory diseases. You may think that all respiratory diseases show themselves with symptoms such as coughing or sneezing, but this is not the case. The symptoms of respiratory diseases are different depending on its origin. Treatment. In order to treat respiratory diseases, it is necessary to determine its origin first and then proceed to treatment. Many respiratory diseases can be cured if they are diagnosed and treated in time, but if the treatment is delayed and the symptoms are not taken seriously, it can affect the dog for the rest of his life. And the last word. Those who keep a pet, especially a dog, in their home should always be aware of any change in the general condition of the animal and take it seriously. Changes in the dog's general condition and even behavior can indicate the presence of a disease in the body. In addition to paying attention to changes, regular checkups are essential for having a healthy pet. Observing these things, as well as observing preventive and controlling measures of all kinds of diseases, can guarantee the dog's health.